How to keep your gender secret on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to keep your gender secret on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings. Not settings, click these three lines in the top corner and then click on your profile. And here you will find edit, click on it. And here you will find your gender, select it and then click keep secret and save, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.